ثم توليتم, then you turned away من بعد ذلك, after that. فلولا فضل الله عليكم, and if not for the favor of Allah upon you, ورحمته, in His mercy, لكنتم من الخاسرين, you would have been among the losers.